Yeah, me G, which song? I run the place around what here?
Right now, a chance to run the place right now. No. The itch patch song there, I baddest thing right now. To run the place. I push it, you know. I'm love it to freak. Bad man.
Give me a piece of the dance, huh?
Pitch, patch, pitch, patch, pitch, patch. Don't test the fool out there. Bad.
What you think about Sean Storm, Itch Pat song? What you think about that song there?
I baddest thing right now when I clash one. I thought run the whole Jamaica, the whole
Yeah.
world.
Yeah.
Sean Storm, find the next one fast. Can you hear me? Itch, scratch, pitch, bad.
Yeah, man, I baddest thing, man. Big up Sean Storm.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, what you think about Sean Storm song, Itch Patch, Pitch Patch?
Yeah, man, I take over TikTok right now. No joke. It's spot. I not even know them do it dance.
Do give me beside that.
You know, some not even know them do it dance.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, not even know them do it dance. But if on TikTok, I see them do and look it's
Yeah.
that thing. You see me?
Yeah.
That's what I think got one danger vibes here. Up top. You don't know.
What you think about Sean Storm, Itch Patch song, Itch Scratch song?
It a go on, you know. Yeah, man, it a run the road now. Yeah, man.
Alright. Mr. Barber, you know. What your price to trim?
It's $1,000, man, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. Melissa mash up the place. You can't like the people them too hard. Maybe next man, they might take all 15. You understand? Yeah. Me a poor people barber, yeah.
You hear that people, the barber take toes of a trim. Show them a barber shop. Show them a barber shop. Yeah. Yeah, people, this is the barber shop. Toes of a trim. You saw it clean and neat. These are the best barber in town. St. Mary. Natabie. The best barber this. TT. Here. Toes of a trim. Here. Alright.
Yo, come on.
Massacre. Wagwan. The Gaza, they want mash you up, man. You see me?
Yo, come on, you, man.
Got a double clip here. Got a double clip here.